Hey guys, I welcome you to another YouTube video on my channel. On this channel I post free courses that you can enroll in and earn certificates. They are 100% free. The only condition is that you need to enroll while the course is still free. I'll be doing some posts on my mobile device so as to keep you guys up to date on the free coupons that are available. Now, today's free course is on how to hack wireless Wi-Fi networks for beginners, and this course is only available for the next 2 days, and the original cost is $100. So you can get this course, which is $100 for free if you ask now. These are what you will learn from the course. It has 1 hour video and you have 2 resources that you can download from the video. Quickly, let's go through the preview of the course by the course owner.
Hi, and welcome to the Wi-Fi Hacking for Beginners course. So, first of all, let's see what will you learn in this course. In this course, you will learn how to hack wireless networks using multiple techniques. You will also learn how to use tools like Crack NG, Wireshark, Cowpatty, Pirate, Crunch, River, and so on. And at the end of the course, I'm going to teach you how to create an evil twin access point. All the videos in the course are straight to the point and have less than 5 minutes. So you learn the right way to do things in the shortest amount of time. And after completing this course, you'll be confident with breaking all types of Wi-Fi encryption methods and how to use Kali Linux. Now, let's see who is this course for. This course is for beginners or anyone who wants to learn about wireless hacking. So, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you inside the course.
Alright, that's it guys. I encourage you to go in and enroll in the course. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so as to get updates from me as soon as I post new videos on new courses that are available for you to enroll in. Thank you. See you at my next video.